Hi dear friends, in today's video we will check what I have received from the crystals. As you know, Swarovski stopped to create crystals for DIY segment, so I ordered new crystals from Czech Preciosa brand. Let's check how it will look and what I have inside here. As you can see, I have ordered as well some pearls and crystals, threads. Oh my god, let's check what we have. Let's start from crystals and threads. This time Nymo thread. Usually I buy S-Lon from United Kingdom, but now I have a bit of a problem with the delivery from there, so that's why I will use Nymo threads, but those are almost the same as S-Lon. I have more in white because mostly I use white color and some different as well colors. Then what I have else here, crystals. How I love these crystals. Quality is very nice. They are very shiny. Can't wait to start to work with them. And some bicons as well. In pink. You see, I have ordered in different sizes as well to check what will be better for my creations, because sometimes when I create brooches or earrings I need the same color but in different sizes. I love them. I can't wait to start to create something else. I ordered as well, this is cabochon crystals as well for the brooches. In green, brown. Oh, this color I like. I really like this color. It's like a rose gold with some silver. It's very nice. Oh my god, look how beautiful they are. I think it will be my favorite color. And the same color in the smaller size. Different shapes and colors, just to understand how I would like to work with Preciosa crystals instead of Swarovski. But if to be honest, the quality is very good and nice. Czech crystals and Czech seed beads, they are very good quality products, so I highly recommend it. Okay, crystals. Now let's check what kind of crystals I have here. I think those are just amazing. Oh my god, how beautiful those are. I want to create earrings for myself. I ordered as well this kind of holders. And here all of these are Czech Preciosa crystals, and as you can see they are shining amazing. I ordered them in different colors as well to check what kind of colors will become my favorite. but till now I'm very happy with the quality. I ordered holders as well for them. Look at them one more time, how beautiful those are. Soon I will create this kind of earrings, I think. It will be the first creation. And as well, pearls. I used to work a lot with Swarovski pearls, but now I found some interesting colors in Czech pearls as well. I ordered them in different sizes as well to check the quality and how to work with this kind of pearls, and will I like it. Oh, I see this color, and I see I have this blue look. I think I have an idea already what to create. This blue color crystal, and I really like it. Let's check pearls. I like the sound, and they're quite heavy. It means that they are good quality. In this color. I like them. What I have else here? In pink and some gold, purple. This is 5 millimeters and 4 millimeters. And this kind of white. So I have a lot of new materials now to try, and we will see what I will have in the result after I will use this kind of crystals and pearls. But these are my favorite for sure. I really like how they shine. Let me know what do you think about materials I've got, and are you interested in this kind of videos when I show you my orders. I will be very grateful for your feedback, and thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Bye!